Hey, good morning, Levi. This is what I'd like you to tackle today. We are going to move on to look at some other native groups that were here long before the Europeans, but we're going to mosey on our way further south. So we're going to look at the ones that settled in Mexico or Mesoamerica, Middle America, and South America. So that's what we're going to tackle today. If you would please take a look at this. Um, in your instructions, the first thing that I have you do before we tackle starting a new assignment is to read through the questions posted under Chapter 1, Lesson 1, The Migration Begins. Those are just review from what we talked about on Tuesday. You may use your book, that's pages 4 through 8, if you need to look back, and just email me the answers to those questions, okay? So email me the answers to questions from Chapter 1, Lesson 1. Also, I just wondered to know does it work to meet today at 2:15 instead, because I have something that I want to run through with you for tomorrow. So in this email, can you let me know if we can Google Meet today at 2:15? All right. Next, you're going to haul out your book and turn the page, because you probably used your book for step 1. Turn your page to the bottom or at page 8. And that's where chapter or lesson 2 starts. And if you could read just the introduction and about the group called the Olmecs. It's probably an ancient civilization you're not as familiar with as the other 3. But just read from page 8 to the very top of page 9. And then open up chapter 1, lesson 2, Empires and Cities. Okay, and I'll show you what that looks like. So chapter 1, lesson 2, Empires and Cities, and open up this resource page. On the resource page, there's 3 resources in addition to about the Olmecs, because the book gives us 5 sentences about them. So I want you to watch the videos. So this top link is a YouTube video, which is a little bit cheesy. Sorry about it. I hope you get the humor. And then the bottom one is a Discovery Education video, both about the Olmecs. Then if you could just scan this article also from Khan Academy about the Olmecs. Once you've taken a look at those 3 resources, we can go back and finish reading the lesson. So just read page 9 through 13, okay? And you're going to read about the Mayas, the Aztecs, and the Incans. And those are probably civilizations that you've heard about. And whatever one kind of floats your boat, looks interesting to you, I'd like you to pick one of them to do a slides presentation on. You can do Maya, you can do Aztec, or you can do Incan. Okay, and you're just going to use the book information, the book that you just read. There's lots of great information on that, but each one of them also has a resource that I included. So if you happen to pick Mayan, you can use this resource. If you pick Aztec, you can pick this resource. And if you pick Incan, you could pick this resource. Here are some possible topics to include in your slideshow, just to give you an idea of what to research and what to look for. So if you could create a slide presentation on that. Then it says, just attach, I should put that on there too. Attach in classroom when you are completed. Okay, so open up or create a slideshow and attach in classroom. Let me know if you have any questions. You can let me know right away as you read this, or you can let me know with the Google Meet. But yeah, it's about the Olmecs, the Incans, the Aztecs, and the Mayans today. So enjoy. Have a great day.